grinder. What about you? I produce hits. What do you do? I got my mic on. Do you got one? And I spit rhymes. Can you spit one? Didn't think so. Shut the fuck up. See you going down, and I'm coming up. Want a metaphor? I'm a mountain. I'm an ocean. You're a fountain. I paint a picture with a scripture. I'm the virus and the elixir. I'm the problem and the solution, the projection and the resolution. I am order, you are chaos. I'm a Super Bowl, you're a playoff. I'm a trophy, you're a coin toss. You're a PO, I'm a fucking boss. I'm a grinder, trying to get paid, and I explode like a grenade. Called a copy, do you copy? I'ma get mine, watch me. I'm a grinder, trying to get paid, and I explode like a grenade. Hard to copy, do you copy? I'ma get mine, watch me. Now I'm flashing, shockwave, you see through, X-ray. I'm blowing up, world trade. I'm an epidemic, black plague. Can you see me? HD, you were born to hate me. I'm a heartbeat, you're a flat line. You're the small print, I'm the headline. See my footprints when I walk through. I'm a giant, built to crush you. I'm a spaceship, and you on foot. I'm an iPad, you're a pocketbook. All up in mine, fuck you. I'm a grinder, do what you do. You're a bicycle, I'm a motocross. You're a peon, I'm a fucking boss. I'm a grinder, trying to get paid, and I explode like a grenade. Called a copy, do you copy? I'ma get mine, watch me. I'm a grinder, trying to get paid, and I explode like a grenade. Hard to copy, do you copy? I'ma get mine, watch me. I told you niggas I'm a scientist. Code on the beat, Seraph on the floor. But you can call me Seraph. I am Seraph. Get to know me. I ain't going nowhere. Yo.